beta function the function of the type this one is called beta function of L comma M, and it is written as beta L comma M equal to 0 to 1 x power is L minus 1 1 minus x power M minus 1 dx. So properties of beta function. Beta L comma M equal to beta M comma L. Proof. We have beta L comma M is equal to 0 to 1 x power L minus 1 1 minus x M minus 1 dx, which is written as 1 minus x L minus 1 and 1 minus 1 minus x power M minus 1 dx. So 0 to 1 1 minus x L minus 1 and x M minus 1 dx. So 0 to 1 x M minus 1 1 minus x L minus 1 dx, which is equal to beta M comma L, beta L comma M. Questions: evaluate integral 0 to 1 x power 4 1 minus root of x power 5 dx. Let root of x is equal to t implies x is equal to t square, so that dx is equal to 2t dt. So our integral is x की power 4 1 minus root of x power 5 dx, which is written as 0 to 1 t square power 4 1 minus t power 5 2t dt, which is equal to 2 times 0 to 1 t की power 9 and 1 minus t power 5 dt, which is equal to 2 times beta 10 comma 6 and beta L comma M is equal to gamma L gamma M upon gamma L plus M. So it is 2 gamma 10 gamma 6 upon gamma 10 plus 6 means 16. So which is equal to 2 times factorial 9 factorial 5 upon factorial 15, which is equal to 1 upon 15015. Relation between beta and gamma function. Relation between beta and gamma function. The beta of L comma m equal to gamma L gamma m upon gamma L plus m. This is the relation between beta and gamma function. The next question is, prove that the identity 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q theta d theta is equal to gamma p plus 1 upon 2 gamma q plus 1 upon 2 times gamma p plus q plus 2 upon 2. Solution. As we know that the formula of beta m comma n is equal to 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 1 minus x power n minus 1 dx. Putting x is equal to sin square theta, so dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, and 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. Okay, then equation 1